What's going on, guys? Cosmic Collector here, and today we'll be unboxing the GXmateria Kid Goku figure. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Son Goku 2 figure by Banpresto and GXmateria. I found this at my local Walmart. I love the original Dragon Ball anime, so I had to pick it up. If you haven't seen the original anime, definitely check it out. It's a great watch. I really like the design and color scheme of the box as well. There's a sticker of authenticity. Now let's just speed through the unboxing. Now for the assembly, the tail just pegs into the butt here. The stand just inserts into the side of his leg. The figure is leaning forward, so you have to insert it at an angle, so it should just slide right in. And the stand just pegs into the back of the base. And the ape head just rests on top of the base. This figure stands just under 18 centimeters, or around 7 inches. For size comparison, here it is next to an out-of-box Funko, and here it is next to a Funko in-box. Here it is next to the Grandista Gohan, and here it is next to the Vibration Stars Kid Naruto. Now let's take a closer look at the figure. The quality and details are way better than I was expecting. The gi is closer to a red color than orange, which is how it was in the anime. They also sculpted a bunch of scratches in order to better translate the battle damage from the end of the fight. The face and sculpt were done perfectly, and they even sculpted the furry texture on his tail. This figure is modeled after the scene where Goku is jumping towards King Piccolo in the anime, or in the manga. They really captured the dynamism of the scene, as we can see his hair and clothes being blown backwards. I really like Master Roshi's kanji on the back of his gi here, and then the off-white color behind it. The giant ape head is also sculpted very well. It's got like a transparent and sparkly effect to it. It does just rest on the bottom of the base. I kind of wish they would have done a little more with that. But overall, it's a really great figure. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments who your favorite Dragon Ball character is. And if you're not already, please subscribe.